Hello, today I'm doing the soil preparation. I do this so plants will grow successfully and so the plants will properly absorb the nutrients into the soil. So the soil was dumped in here just beside this garden, and this is the extension of it. It's the same type of soil I used in the garden. It's rocky and sandy, not fertile in short. I don't think the crops will grow well on this kind of soil. As you can see, there's a lot of massive rocks, and there's more over there. So it's double hard work for me to till the soil because I have to remove some of the big rocks. But it's fine with me. I enjoyed gardening anyway. So before you do the soil preparation, make sure you already have the plan what to grow in your garden area. If you can outline down on a paper, do it. It's more organized. That's what I do all the time. I don't just place the plants everywhere. I want my garden to be sustainable and want every plants I grow here help each other to grow. So I do the companion planting all the time, just like what I did in the garden. All of them are companion planting, like this Chinese broccoli and chili peppers. They grow well with each other, and I have flowers growing beside them. That is vinca, and this is sunflowers, and just beside it it's the mulberry. The other plot, this is the other plot, is the herb section. Herbs can repel some pests in your growing vegetables, and flowers like sunflowers, vinca, they attract beneficial insects. So that's what I wanted also in the extension of the garden. I want it to be productive. Also, you need to know the different pattern of the light and shadow during the day. Some plants doesn't want too much light, and some thrive in full sun. Decide what the right plant what to grow in different area in your garden. If not, that will waste your time. The plant will not survive and you don't know what the plant needs. The type of soil is most important when you do the soil prep. You don't want to use hard and heavy soil. Make sure the soil is loose, and lots of old compost and dried manures. Here it's mostly sandy. The water runs through the soil quickly. This is suitable in some plants that they want their roots to dry out quickly, like the peanuts and carrots. But some plants doesn't thrive in this kind of soil because they want moisture into the soil. If you have sandy soil like this, you can adjust this by adding organic material like compost, coco coir. I have CR8 or carbonized rice hull. So here in this plot, I already put my carbonized rice hulls, compost, chicken manure. I also put the complete fertilizer. I'm done digging up the soil also, and mix them up together and cover them with garden soil. And on top I'll put my loam soil. This is my loam soil. And also I measured the distance between the plot. It's 1 meter apart. So it's also important that you have distance between the plant, because you don't want to overcrowd your garden with so many vegetables, plants growing, because they will gonna compete in the nutrients of the soil. So I think that's it for today. I'll just update you in the extension of the garden, what I grow in here, what's growing. So don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.